Nyota ya aikari a Thika irorete kuhuka thutha wa tabarira ya muigana wa ciringi mbirioni 17 ya kugacirithia utambia wa MAAI guthie na mbere na gwakwo. Tabarira ino ya Thika Githunguri iratwarithio na mbere unyitaniri-ini wa thirikari ya Kenya na ANDU kuma bururi wa Denmark.
Organizations that work to improve the competitiveness of the private sector in Kenya. Those are the ones we train, partner with, we help them financially. We help them do advocacy towards the government. We train their members in becoming more sustainable.
Ikihuthira miaka 5 kurikirira tabarira ino itanyitwo gutambia MAAI ma miberethi kuri andu 253.
Here it will be building skills to ensure that non-revenue water is managed to acceptable levels. This will be able to prepare employees so as that the investment comes, they are already equipped to implement the new technologies that will be available.
Kioneki kingi ni gia kugacirithia utei wa giko gia kioro tabarira ino ikinyitithania andu 331 na miberethi ya gute giko giki undu uria ukugacirithia utheru wa tauni ici.
Sanitation also is a challenge in the country according to the joint monitoring program, and what we have seen in terms of seaward coverage of thicker water is at 30%, but safely managed sanitation is at 32%.
Tabarira ino ningi irahuthira mitambo ya kiriu kugiririria guitikanga kwa MAAI undu uria ucungagiriria unyihu wa MAAI na hathara.
As a nation we are losing 45% of the water that we produce. Monetarily this if you convert it into Kenya shillings is in excess of Kenya shillings 11.4 billion. This is a lot of money, and it is almost the same amount that has been invested in the Northern Water Collector project.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro GITAU, GITAU wa WANJIKU.